In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Constant Contact. We'll start right at the beginning. Open Constant Contact and log in to your account. If you use Enhanced Security, be ready to complete that verification. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see recent activity and helpful shortcuts. Next, head to the Campaigns area. You'll usually find it in the main navigation at the top. This is your central hub where every draft, scheduled item, and past campaign lives. It's a great place to stay organized, compare performance over time, and quickly pick up where you left off. Now, select Create. This button opens the door to building something new. Don't worry if you're still refining your ideas. Constant Contact saves your work as you go so you can experiment and come back to it later without losing progress. You'll be asked to choose the type of campaign. Pick what matches your goal. If you're sending a newsletter or announcement, choose email. For a dedicated conversion page without a full website, choose landing page. If you're promoting an event with registrations and reminders, choose event. And if you want to publish promotional content directly to your platforms, choose social post. Selecting the right type helps Constant Contact tailor the tools and templates to your needs. From here, add your content, audience, and settings. Build your message using the drag and drop editor. Add text, images, buttons, and links, and keep your branding consistent with your colors and logo. Write clear, concise copy and make your primary call to action easy to find. For images, use high-quality files and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility. Next, choose your audience by selecting the appropriate list or segment. Targeting the right group leads to better engagement, so consider segmenting by interests or past behavior if you have that set up. Then fine-tune your settings. For emails, set a strong subject line and preview text, confirm your from name and reply to address, and enable tracking options if available. For events, verify the date, location, and registration details. For social posts, tailor your caption to each platform's style. Before you go live, preview, save, schedule, or publish the campaign. Use the preview on both desktop and mobile and click through every link to confirm it works. Save your work, then either schedule it for the best send time in your time zone or publish immediately if you're ready. After it's live, you can always return to the campaigns page to monitor performance and make improvements for next time.